Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher of class 6 from Dari Arkam Madinatul Hujaj campus. Today we will do exercise C, learning about language. It's unit number 2, the ransom of the Red Chief. Exercise is C1. Write the following sentences in your exercise book, putting a box or brackets around the subject and a line under the predicate. First of all, you must know about the definition of subject. What is subject? The subject is the word or phrase which controls the verb. Now, what is predicate? Predicate, the part of the sentence, contains a verb stating something about the subject. Okay, first one. In example, the first one is done for you. The cat drank the milk. Okay, they have said that you have to put brackets around the subject. The cat is the subject and drank the milk. The milk is predicate. Okay, in the first sentence is Bill rose slowly. In this sentence, Bill is subject. We will put brackets around it, and rose slowly. It's a predicate. You have to keep your scale in your hand while underlining it. Next one is be good, Johnny. In this sentence, be good is predicate and Johnny is subject. Third one, now I want you to go to home. In this sentence, now is predicate, I is subject, want you to go home. It is also predicate. Next one, nobody got any sleep because of the noise. In this sentence, what is subject? Nobody. You have to put brackets around it, this word, and the rest of the sentence is predicate. In the last sentence, just do it. It's predicate. And the subject is you, as it is not written over here, but the subject is understood that the instruction or the command is given to someone, that someone is called you. Here subject is understood that it is you, and the predicate is just do it. Okay students, hopefully you have understood it. Now you have to learn the definitions of subject and predicate as I have told you, and do the practice of this with examples. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.